What I will be teaching today is about the Gideon and the Great Dock. The Gideon was a Dutch ship, and the Great Dock was a dock where boats and stuff were moored in New Amsterdam, and it was around City Hall at the time. So, what the Gideon would do was, well, first it started in the Netherlands, and on its trip to New Amsterdam, it would pick up different goods, and it would pick up slaves also. And what they would do is they would make different stops to different countries to sell goods and slaves and trade. And yeah, this is a picture of where the Great Dock once was, but now it's the Broad Street Financial Center. Why the Gideon was so important was because when it finally arrived to New Amsterdam, it had 291 enslaved Africans, including children, women, men, and that's the up to date. That's the most slaves that a Dutch colony has ever received. But another reason why the Gideon and the Great Dock is so important is because this is the time period around when the British took over New Amsterdam, and it became New York City.